Today we are going to discuss application on LPP. In the previous lecture we have learned whenever the question is given in LPP form. What is the meaning of LPP form? That objective function will be given to you, and based on objective function and the given constant you are going to plot the graph and optimize the solution, optimization of the solution. Look here, I am going to explain how to get LPP from the given word problems. So first of all, you can pause this video and write down this question in your notebook. I'm just quickly reading the question. A manufacturer produces nuts and bolts. It takes 1 hour to work on machine A, 3 hours on machine B to produce a package of the nuts. It takes 3 hours on machine A and 1 hour on machine B to produce the package of the bolts. He earns the profit of rupees 17.5 per package on nuts and rupees 5 per package on bolts. How many packages of this to be produced so as to maximize the profit? One more information given in the question. The machines are operated at most, I am repeating the word, at most 12 hours for a day. After reading the question, you come to know you are supposed to find out how many types of the nuts and bolts to be prepared, N and B. So let us, I am considering N will be nothing but X and B will be bolts is nothing but Y. What else given in the information? These are produced on two machines. One is machine M1 and another is machine M2. Apart from that, profit is given in the questions. Okay. So as per as the first sentence, it is clear to you that for producing of nuts, machine 1 is operated for 1 hour and machine 2 is operated for 3 hours. At the same time, whenever you wish to prepare the bolts, machine 1 is operated for 3 hours and machine 2 is operated for 1 hour. One more information given in the question that the profit you are getting from selling one packet of nut is 17.5 and bolt is rupees 5. Apart from that, 12 hours is the maximum time of the operations that is given. Okay. Now, once this table is ready, you are supposed to convert the question into a LPP form, and you know in the previous class also you have learned how to solve the word problem. Moving ahead, this is the profit which they are generating by selling one nuts and packages. Now, if we are planning this is X number, so the profit will be 17.5X plus 7Y. This is nothing but your objective function. Look here, maximization of P is 17.5X plus 7Y. It was in the previous all question, it was Z, it is reader. I am writing P, so profit is there. Subjected to the consideration. The first condition is over here. This is nothing but the first condition. 1 hour X, so it is X plus 3Y is 12. X plus 3Y is less than or equal to 12. Why it is less than is given? Because machine is operated at the most maximum 12 hours. It can be operated less than that. For example, math paper you have been given 3 hours. Some of you can solve that is in 2.5 hours. But you cannot demand for 3 and hour and plus 10 minutes. Likewise. Second condition you will get from here. What is this? 3x plus y is less than or equal to 12. And this is one more additional fact you are supposed to write, x and y greater than equal to 0. What does it mean? You should not be ideal. You should do something. Then only you can produce the fact. Okay. Once tabular form is converted into this, you know how to get. You are going to get the graph of this. So quickly plot the graph. Meanwhile, I am going to show how will be the graph of this visible region and also boundary points. If you plot the graph will look like this. This is the first line. The feasible region downside, this is red line whose equation is x plus 3y downside. So we will be getting the yellow region is nothing but the feasible region. These are the 4 boundary points. This is already known to you. This is also whenever you are plotting the graph you have no. This is also known to you. How to get this one? By solving these two lines you can get the point of intersection as 3, then put this information in a tabular form. This is the boundary points we have written. Objective function you are knowing. Putting 0, 4 you are getting 28, 0, 0 you are getting 0, 4, 0 you are getting 70 and 3, 3 you are getting 73.5. 73.5 is the maximum value. Therefore, profit will be maximum. In what cases? You are selling 3, comma 3. First 3 indicates what was the first 3 indicates? What you have taken? Nuts. And the second one is nothing but bolts. So 3 packages of nuts and 3 packages of the bolts can be prepared so as to get maximum profit. One more situation we are going to discuss. It is a question of diet. A diet for a sick person must contain at least 4,000 units of vitamin, 50 units of mineral, and 1,400 units of calorie. Two food packets X and Y are available at the cost rupees 4 and rupees 3. 1 unit of food packet X contain 200 units of vitamin, 1 units of mineral, and 40 units of calories, whereas food packet Y contains 100 units of vitamin, 2 units of mineral, and 40 units of calories. Find in what combination you should take to minimize the cost. While preparing the table, you should think about there are two food packets, X and Y. X and Y to be written over here vertical. I have written capital X and capital Y. What is the content? Vitamin, minerals, and calories. What else is given in the question? The cost. So I'm just going to input the values in the table. Food packet X contain, it is given in the question, 200 units of vitamin, 1 units of mineral, and 40 units of calorie, and the cost of that is given as 4 rupees. Similarly, food packet Y is containing 100 units of vitamin, 2 units of minerals, and 40 units of calories, and the cost is 3 rupees. What else it was given in the question? At least 4,000 units of vitamin, at least 50 units of minerals, and 1,400 units of calorie should contain in that particular diet. Okay, so your problems indicate that this cost to be minimum and this all the things should happen. Now see how to convert the problem into a equation form. The first one, this 4x plus 3y, this is nothing but your cost function, 4x plus 3y. What was the first condition? First condition, it was given on the vitamins. This, look at this, vitamin 2000x plus 100y is at least, that means what I should write, 2000x plus 100y greater than or equal to 4000. Now why this is greater than equal to? How to remember this fact? At least 33 marks are required to pass in mathematics. Whenever the 33% like this. So minimum. So if you are getting 34, it is good. If you are getting 93, it is also good. So it is greater than will come. At least means greater than. Okay. Another condition is about the minerals. 1x, 2y greater than or equal to 50. Third is 40x plus 40y greater than or equal to 1400. And the last one, ideal condition, as we discussed in the previous question, x and y should be a positive. If you convert that all LPP question, the graph you will get like this. It is open unbounded with the boundary points A 0, 40, B 5, 30, C 20, 15, and D 50, 0. You know how to get the point B and C. Okay, how to get? By solving that respective equations, those two equations which are meeting at that particular point. Okay. Furthermore, we are going to discuss what will happen about the cost at these four corner points. If you evaluate objective function at that corner point, you will come to know 110 rupees is the minimum amount which is possible at one point, that is called as B 5, 30. So the cost will be minimum whenever x, capital X, do you remember x is equal to 5 and y will be equal to 30. So in this combination, if you are buying, then it will be minimum. The cost will be minimum and the required dietitian what it is demanded, that can be also possible. One more point you should know, if you look at the graph, apart from that three lines, red lines, you can see one more line, that is dotted blue lines. Whenever open unbounded region will be given to you, you are supposed to plot this line and show that this line will not cross through any feasible part. It will go through the selected corner point. So how question arises, how to plot the graph? Your objective function, it was 4x z is equal to 4x plus 3y, cost function c will be equal to, and what was the amount which we have got? In this particular question, the value of cost function z, that is 110. So I should write here 110 4x plus 3y. So you should plot this particular line in the graph. So this line itself is nothing but the blue dotted line. So blue dotted line you are getting, and it will be passing through the point 5, 30, and it is not crossing, it is not dividing the feasible region. This is condition whenever open unbounded is there. Okay. So likewise, you can try for any word problems. Step number 1, to get a table. Once table is ready, form LPP, means get the equations and all. Once the equations are ready, it is to be converted into graph. From the graph, get the boundary points. From the boundary points, read the boundary points at that objective functions, and then go for maximization or minimization. Okay, one more lesson where one more period we'll discuss about this one, where I'm going to reduce one step. Table I'm not going to prepare. So make a habit of solving the word problem. Few, at least 5 to 10 problems you can solve, and then we can go ahead. Thank you.